Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding Everyday. So this is our second tutorial on React Native, and in this tutorial we are going to set up the environment, the development environment. In the previous tutorial we learned about the difference between React and React Native. So if you haven't watched that, you can watch that. So for to get started with React Native, we will need these softwares like Node, npm, Java, Android Studio, Expo, and VS Code. So let's start one by one. So if you want, you can check the React native documentation as well. So I have opened this up and I'll be following this document to set up the environment for React Native. So here also you will get the same information. So first we need to install Node and JDK. So you can go to Google and search for Node. Okay, you will find this website Node.js. Click on this one and download the LTS version. You can download this one as well, but the LTS one provides a long-term support. Once you download it, you just need to install it, double click, open it, click some next, and your node will be installed. To check if your node is installed, you can open your command prompt. Okay, so let's open the command prompt. So I'll type cmd and this is my command prompt, and here you can type node version, right? So currently 16.17 installed and 18.12 is the latest one. So that also works. If you want, you can upgrade it as well. Okay, so download the latest version of Node. Here it is downloaded, and I will click on this. Okay, so click on next, accept the terms and condition, next. Okay, next. Okay, Node.js runtime icon is below. Okay, click on next. You can click on this one to install the chocolatey and all. So I'll select this one and click on next and install it. So it is going to take some time. Okay, so Node.js is successfully installed. Now it will open my command prompt and it will install the other chocolatey and other details, right? Okay, so it wants my permission. Click on OK. Alright, so by the time it installs other thing, we can go back to the document, right? So if you see, it has Choco installed, Node.js, LTS, and Open JDK 11. So let's check if I have JDK or not. So if I type Java version, so Java is not available for me. So once the installation is done, I'm going to install Java as well. Okay, so I'll skip this one. We can go to the install Android Studio. You can just click on this one, or you can Google it about Android Studio. Okay, go to Android Studio and you can click here and download it. So I have this already downloaded, so I'm not going to download it again. Okay, and we'll check our installation status. It's still installing our Android Studio. Click on next. So let's go to document and check if we have everything. So it says that we need Android SDK platform, and Android virtual device, and Hyper-V performance from Intel. So currently we have two options. So click on next. If you want, you can install. Okay, it's completed. Click on next. Click on start Android Studio and click on finish. Import settings. Click on OK. I don't want to send statistic usage. So setup wizard is open. Click on next. So we have standard and custom here. I'll go with the custom one. Let's go this. Click on next. I'll choose the black one. So we have all the options here. So we have Android SDK platform. Okay, so select this one. So it's not going to be selected. Then we have performance Intel Hexam, and we have Android virtual device. So we'll click on next. Select the RAM that you need. So I can select 3.8. Click on next. Okay. Then click on next. Accept the terms and condition. What else is there? Okay, for this one also accept it and click on finish. So Node is installed. Now we need to install JDK. Control C, Control V. We don't need Node. Click on enter. Yes, done as administrator. The Java is installed now. We can check this with, let's close this one and open it again. CMD, okay, Java -- version. So we have OpenJDK 11. We can check for npm -- version. So npm version 8 is there. Alright, Android Studio is being set up. So depending upon your internet speed, your Android will be installed. So it took me a few minutes to install it. So we'll click on finish. We got this window. Now let's see, let's go to the instruction. Okay, so we need to go to SDK platform. Let's go to SDK manager. Okay, this is the SDK platform. We need to expand Android 12. So this is Android 12. We need this platform 30D. Yes, so we need this one as well. Next we are going to click on SDK tools. Again click on show package details. Okay, expand this one. It's already expanded, Android SDK build tools, and we need to make sure that 31.0.1 is selected. Yes, this is selected. Then I can click on apply. So it will install these things, and these it will take this space on your disk. I don't have any choice. Let's click on OK, accept the agreement, click on next, and it will again take some time. Till the time it updates, we can go to control panel. Okay, here we are. Then we will go to user accounts, then user accounts again. Then I have changed my environment variables. Okay, click on new to create Android home, and we need to provide the path for SDK. So finally, after a few minutes, the SDK component is installed. We can click on finish. Okay, now we can go for, so in your Android SDK settings, you see this path, you have to go to this path, but initially this app.data will be hidden. So go to your C drive, users, your name, or whatever user you are in, enable the hidden files, and you will see app data here. You can go to local, then Android, and we have this path. Okay, so we'll copy it as path and we will paste it in our new variable. Okay, make sure you remove this double quotes. Okay, click on OK. Do we have that? So we have Android here. Okay. Let's search for PowerShell, Windows PowerShell. Okay, then let's paste this. So we need to check if Android Home is available here or not. So if it isn't available, we didn't set it correctly and we need to do that again. So for me it's not available. Is it loaded? Okay, we need to click on OK. Close this one. Again try it out. Paste it. Click on OK. Enter. And yes, we have our Android Home. To control panel, for a different window version it will be different, so you can search in Google how to set environment variable. But going to this screen, after this screen it is going to remain same. Okay, we need to click on edit the path variable, click on edit. Okay, then what we need to do, click on new and add that. We need to paste this one. Click on OK and click on OK. So yes, we are done with the Android Studio installation. But now we are not going to use React Native CLI, right? We will be using Expo because React Native CLI has a lot of setup to do. This was the basic setup that we needed. After that, let's go to so let's go back to our development project, which I have it here, React Native tutorial. Okay, before that you need to download an editor. So we will be using VS Code. So you can Google search for VS Code, download the VS Code. Okay, and you can install it. It's simple. I already have it installed. I already have VS Code installed. So I'll open VS Code. So I have this setup already. So I have installed the teacher theme. Apart from that, we need some extensions as well. Like you can have extension for pretty. Okay, prettier code formatter. Then you will need React Native tools. So we can, I have it already installed. You can install this one as well, React Redux React Native snippets. So I guess that's it we require. We'll open the folder from here. We'll go to our directory. Okay, I'm going to select this folder. Okay, we'll go to terminal, new terminal. Okay, and I'll paste it here. npx create expo app. I'll add it as a RN tutorial. Okay, basics. So we need to install Expo as well. Create Expo app. Select one, click on enter. It will take some time installing. We can go to our Android Studio, click on more action and click on virtual device manager. I'll delete this one. Wipe data and delete it. Yes. Click on create new device. I'll select Pixel X phone. Click on next. Select this one. Click on next. So I'll take this as automatic. Click on finish. Let's click on play. So this is a device. It looks like an old device. Can I change this one? Okay, maybe yes. Let's go to this Pixel XL, which is the latest phone. Pixel 6 Pro. Yeah, I'll go with this one. Add this. Select next. Click on finish. Let's close this one and delete this one. But the point is our Android is on, right? So let's close this one. I don't need it. I need some good phone. No, Pixel 6 Pro, I don't need to delete it. I'll wipe the data and I'll delete this one. Okay, and I'll start the Pixel Pro. Yeah, so this looks nice. So my Google is starting now. This is a huge phone. Okay. I'll keep that aside. Alright, let me just check. And we'll go to our folder, cd rn, and then tab, and click on npm start. Okay, so we want to open this in Android. Click on A. So it is again going to download some stuff. So this is the last download. I don't think there is something after that. So by the way, you can use your original phone as well, because Android Studio is like, it needs some heavy PC requirements, or if you have a low end PC, it might make your PC slow. So you can directly download the Expo app on your phone, and there are certain steps that you need to follow, like ADB bridge and all. So you can find that video on YouTube as well, and you can open your app on your phone. Okay, so our React Native app is started. So congratulations. So just for a test, I'll change this text. Okay, no, wait. Okay, so I'll say subscribe to coding every day, and let's save this file. Oops, there is some issue with this Expo. Okay, let us reload this one. So click on R and it will reload. Let me restart it once again. Let's close this apps. Okay, Control C. Control C will close your running project. Again, we'll start our Expo app. So yes, we have this text. Okay, hello friend. Okay, you can check this one. So currently I'm not checking this. And let's change some text and press. Let's hit the like button and we'll save it. So yes, you have created your first app. So congratulations. The boring stuff is over on the setup part. So we can begin with some more React Native concepts. So we'll start with JSX folder explanation in the next video. Till then, if you like this video, then hit the like button and do subscribe to this channel for latest update on React Native. So that's it for this video. Thank you. Bye bye.